Mauritius is known for its idyllic beaches and crystal-clear sea. But there's an unbelievable phenomenon that appears to be an underwater waterfall. Despite how it looks, this isn't actually a flowing region of water but instead illusion. That happens because of the seafloor structure. The island sits on an ocean shelf, which is no more than 500 feet deep. At the edge of the shelf, however, it soon plunges down to depths of almost 2.5 miles. What you're actually seeing in the underwater waterfall is not water falling down into the abyss, but particles of sand that are being pushed over by the current.